Alright, so in the concept of coding, or so in coding, there's a concept called continuous integration. So this concept, this continuous integration concept, no matter what form of coding it is or for what platform, so for web, mobile, even data, or UI UX, or etc. Yan. Nag-a-apply pa rin si continuous integration natin. So, ano ba si continuous integration? So, essentially, continuous integration is leveraged when we are working in teams. So, this means one or more people. You can definitely use this if ikaw lang yung developer sa team. Actually, best practice nga siya. Pero this really shines when you have one or more people. So what does it do? So it assumes that there's this one shared repository of code when we are developing. So, ibig sabihin ng repository, lalagyan na ng code. Diyan nilalagay yung code. So, kung makikita mo, JSON files, meron kang XML. Lahat ng source code mo nandito sa so-called repository natin. So, continuous integration is working with teams of one or more people, and then you assume that there's a shared repository. So, when you, for example, have a shared repository, feature 1 is developed, ito siya kunwari sa repository. Let's call the repository name. So, when feature 1 is developed, feature 1 is now in the main branch. Okay? Branch ako, tawag natin sa repository. So, for example, after some time past, gusto nila stakeholders, meron tayong gusto ko may feature 2, may gusto ko ipa-download. So, yung branch na to, it's called branch kasi literally magiging mag-branch out siya ng ganda mamaya. So, itong branch na to, mag-branch out siya ng ito yung main branch. So, nandito si color on. So, sample na to, ito sa main branch. So, si feature 1, right, yung feature 1 nasa main branch. Si feature 2, gusto natin, yung feature 2, so, si feature 2, gusto natin siya i-add sa main branch. Right? So, para mangyari yun, what we do is, kukuha tayo ng sample from the feature 1 branch, and then, gagawa tayo ng sarili natin branch for feature 2. So, dito tayo magde-develop ng feature 2. Development. So, kapag tapos na yung development natin for feature 2, so, itong si feature 1 main branch, feature 1 pala meron siya. So, continuous line lang yan. So, kapag gusto natin pagsamahin si feature 1 sa feature 2, si feature 2 actually gagawin natin, i-merge natin siya ng feature 1. So, ibig sabihin, ito, so, blue and red. So, sabihin natin, magiging purple siya pag merge. And then, this merge already has feature 1 plus feature 2. So, in essence, ito palang red line natin kanina. Yan. From here on forward, kay feature 2. Yan, purple na siya. So, ito, feature 1 na naman, and then ito, naging feature 2 na pagsama natin, naging feature 1 and feature 2. So, ano pa na namin ito sa continuous integration? So, sa continuous integration, ibig sabihin, yung kada meron kang maipapasok na bagong branch. So for example, ito naman si feature 3. You can branch out from the existing stable version, and then you can create your feature 3 development, and then kapag ready ka na, pwede mo na siyang ipasok sa taas, which is magiging green and yellow. So magiging feature 2, feature 1 plus feature 2 plus feature 3 na siya. So this is what we call continuous integration. As we add more features, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, we can integrate it all together into a main branch. Alright? So usually, ang tawag naman dito sa binabranch out na mga to, these are usually called, etong mga to. And these are usually called feature branches. So, that is essentially continuous integration network. So ang tatandaan natin yan is it's for coding. So, concept encoding, it works for team collaboration. Of course, kung individual contributor ka, ikaw lang yung developer sa team, pwede mo na siyang gawin. But it shines better on a team collaboration. And it's a process of maintaining it assumes that a team works on maintaining and adding features to a shared repository. So, ayun. Ganun yung process niya. New branch, gagawa ng sarili mong branch, integrate mo, gagawa ng sarili mong branch, integrate mo. Alright, so, main dev feature. Alright, so, if you have questions, I'd ask in the comments. Thank you.